If you're going to do a big project like I've started here, one of the problems you'll have is organizing all your parts as you take them off so that you can put them back together in order. Let me show you what I do. So here you can see I just use tool organizers for toolboxes, and I just put them in order in which they are taken out. So I know that I just work in reverse order to put all these parts back in. I like to soak my parts in Evaporust, not specifically because there's a lot of rust, but it does help clean them up a lot. Now you can use mineral spirits, that works great. It also is petroleum based, so it will hopefully stop them from rusting. And what I like to do is after they've soaked for a day or two, I'll take them out, clean off the Evaporust unless it's already evaporated, and then I spray them with a rust preventative. Let your rust preventative dry for about a day until it's dry to the touch, and then you'll be ready to put everything back together. That's all for today. I hope this helps. Have a great day. God bless.